I haven't stopped making this Chinese beef stir-fry sauce ever since I tried it once. This sauce is unbelievably delicious, versatile, and it is the best combo for your rice. Now let me show you how to make this simple beef stir-fry sauce. Once you have your beef shredded into thin strips like this, marinate the beef with some red wine vinegar, dark soy sauce, honey, oyster sauce, sesame oil, white pepper powder, red chili flakes, and cornstarch. Mix all of these ingredients very well until well coated with the beef. Once you're done with that, refrigerate the beef for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes of marinating the beef, add about 2 tablespoons of oil to your skillet. Add all the marinated beef to the pan and make sure all the pieces are evenly spaced out. Cook the beef for 5 minutes until it's no longer pink. After that, you can come back to this. Try stirring this around just to make sure all the sides are cooked evenly. Once the beef is evenly browned on both sides, transfer to a dish and set aside. You can add more oil to the same pan if needed. Then go in with your minced garlic, grated ginger, and sliced onions. Saute all of these aromatics for 2 minutes or until they are fragrant. After that, add your colorful veggies to the fragrant onions. So I'm going in with some yellow bell peppers, sliced carrots, red peppers, and green bell peppers. You want to stir this around for about 2 minutes or until they are slightly wilted. After that, bring in your cooked beef and mix everything together to combine nicely. You want to cook this for about 2 minutes while stirring. So while that is going on, let's make some gravy for the beef stir-fry. In a small bowl, combine a 1/4 cup of water, light soy sauce, red wine vinegar, corn flour, red chili flakes, oyster sauce, and whisk this to dissolve nicely. Once your gravy is smooth and well dissolved, you want to drizzle this over the beef sauce on heat. Stir this properly until you have a glossy and slightly thickened sauce. Now, this is what we have. Just take a look at this. The sauce is incredibly tasty and flavorful. The best way to enjoy your Chinese beef stir-fry is when all the vegetables are still vibrant, fresh, and warm. So this is well paired with some boiled white rice. Let me know in the comments how you love your Chinese beef stir-fry. I hope you like this recipe. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if this is your first time stopping by at Onyx Food Hill, please remember to subscribe to the channel. Until next time, have a great day and bye!